Welcome back everyone to A1 Diaries. Here you can see part 2 of this resin patio. That's the mixer mixing away, a high force mixer. Basically goes into a wheelbarrow like so. There's some of the materials we use. As you can see on this job, edging trim is done in black starlight. The base is asphalt. And as you can see, edges are always put in first. Then we've got around the back where the guys are now laying the main colour. As you can see here, really making a difference to this property. Really brightening the home up. We've got James there. He's floating the material on. Enjoying the sunshine today. So this is part 2, guys. Thank you very much for joining us. Please join us for part 3. We'll show you the finished project. Click the like button below if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time.